What's the problem?
Oh, just a bit of things. Well, at the minute, there's a perspex box around the phone, which makes it a bit difficult. Oh, and I missed all those fucking... Oh my god, this is epically impossible. Okay. The perspex box is help.
What did you just do?
I misdialed the last number because I'm getting stressed out. Successful have fun with it again. Concert in the background's a big help too. It's ringing! Hello, Rafa! I have no time! Put me into Hava! Honey! Happy birthday! You don't know how hard it's been to phone you! Happy birthday! Oh, I'm glad! No, I'm at a Vietnamese rap concert for some reason. And I'm gonna run out of minutes, but I just wanted to phone you. And I bought your thing. Yeah? Okay, that is for you, and I'm thinking of you. I wish I was there. I'm sending you a huge hug from little Saigon. Okay, you let me know when's a good time that we can have a barbecue at my house, okay? Okay, a huge hug and a kiss to you, Abby.